my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are doing another plan with me video. So for this month, I'm doing a Halloween themed spread for you guys. If this is my first video that you are watching, then totally subscribe to my channel. Grab your journals and your stationery and we can get started with this video. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end to know who the giveaway winners are. And now let's just get started with this video. So guys, now let's get started with planning this month out. First things first, I'm going to create like the main page for this month. On this side, I'll be writing like October and creating a bit of a vibe over here. And then on this side, you guys totally know that I'm going to write a really nice quote for this month over here. So I'll be writing the quote on this sheet and I'll be pasting it over here. So I think I'm just going to cut it of the same size as this so that I can paste it easily over it. Let's just see how it goes. I am really excited to be creating this really cool theme for this month. So guys, that's what I have done so far. I have just pasted this craft paper in the middle and then I have doodled some Halloween related stuff. And I hope you guys are liking it so far. I don't usually doodle that much in my journals, but this month I thought I'm just gonna like go with the flow, and I think that it looks really pretty. And I'm also going to like color this page. So guys, on this side, I'll be writing this quote. So guys, now coming onto this page, I'll be creating the monthly calendar over here, and I have kind of created the layout beforehand so that it's like easier for me and I don't end up messing it up a lot. So I'm just going to like start with it now. So guys, here's the month at a glance page. I think it looks decently fine, and especially this area, I like it very much. So I've just kept this space for my goals for the month, and then I'll be writing a quote over here when I will find one. So I'm just like keeping it like this for now. Now I'm going to flip over. Like these two are the most important pages. I have the important stuff I'll be writing over here. Then we have like this month's like all my top priorities for this month. I'll be writing them over here. And then this is my study tracker. I have my exam in November, so I feel I should like track this last month really nicely. So that's why this. And now let's just like make this page and yeah. So guys, that's how this page looks like. So I have the important stuff over here, then the to-do list for this month, like all the important things that I will need to get done within this month. I'll be writing them over here. Then the study tracker and some really cute little doodles over here on the side. And now we're going to create like the last spread for this month and like for this video as well. And this is going to be like the weekly spread, so let's just make it. So guys, I am done with this final page as well. This is like the weekly spread. I've started this weekly spread from 28th of September so that I can have like a whole week over here. Then we have the tracker right here, notes area, and we're done with this now. So now let's do a flip over of this journal. So guys, that's all for this month's bullet journal. I really hope that you guys liked it. So guys, that's going to be it for this month's bullet journal spread. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you end up getting any of the spreads from this month's bullet journal, then make sure that you tag me on Instagram and share them on your stories, and I'll totally repost them on mine. So that's going to be it for this video. Do subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Comment down below whatever you would like to see next, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye bye.
Missing someone